Good morning, everyone. My name is Vanessa. I am a graduate student, and you are watching A Day in the Life in my life. I am terrified of talking to a camera. Today is Monday, and it is currently 4 o'clock. This is a week full of studying. I have 2 exams next week, and basically just gonna study with me and see how the week goes. Hi, good morning. Today is going to be a very huge jam-packed day of studying, and I'm really excited you're coming along with me. So I literally switched parking spots so I can get more light. One of the things that I did today was, after I finished my lecture, I went through the lecture materials and finished studying, like the heavy lifting studying for that exam, for that lecture. After I finish the lecture, I go to study right away because I have the information in my mind right then and there, fresh. You should see the material for the 3rd time or the 2nd time, so it's easier for you to understand and retrieve the information. As I'm studying, I'm making on-key flashcards, and I'm also making notes for the lectures, that the stuff that she's saying or he's saying. Also making questions based on the materials that are given to us. So it's like doing 3 to 4 things at the same time. That's why this chunk of studying takes the longest, and it's actually best right after lecture or the day of the lecture, because you're getting the information solidified, you're making questions, you're actually thinking about the information, thinking like the professor. Basically, you're making sure you know the material properly enough to formulate a question, basically. So you're not actually just thinking about the fact, you're thinking about the fact as a question, so you can actually better answer that question in the exam. After I make this big study block, I will do revision of, say, tomorrow or the day after. So you want to give yourself enough time to forget an information so that you can retrieve it back. So when you're using spaced repetition, you're allowing your brain to retrieve that information from your long-term memory, strengthening your neuronal connection, and so you can remember it better next time. And if you actually try this method, you have to have a blank sheet of paper. Just write down whatever you remember about that lecture or whatever you remember about a topic in that paper. And if you can formulate whatever is in your mind into a paper, and then you can look at your notes and say, this is where the holes are in my knowledge. I probably have like 500 flashcards to go through, but I'm probably gonna go through only 300. It is Wednesday. I already finished gym. I'm about to head to the library. One of the most important things that I do in the morning now is I write my paper. So how I go about my day is that the most important thing, I get it done during the morning. I do the task that requires the most amount of brain power, which is research, because I have to literally think and connect the dots and all that stuff and read paper. After I'm done review paper, I'm going to go to class. My first class is actually at 11 a.m. Just because I have the morning free doesn't mean I get to sleep in, because it is a hassle to find parking. I'm not kidding. University, there's a north and a south campus. have another campus, which is downtown, which is a medical campus. And the thing is, when you have classes in all 3 campuses, because just traveling alone takes a long time, after a specific time, you are not going to find parking. Like, forget it. My brain hurts and I have a lot more to do. I'm gonna get a break. It's actually snowing. I don't need this right now. I have nothing else to say. Holy crap. I really hope you guys liked it. Over the course of the clips, you'll see my confidence level peaking over the years of talking on the camera. And if you want to see videos of me talking about something that I'm talking about and expanding on it, please do comment below and tell me what you want to hear about. I will definitely take requests. Do like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you think. Anyways, I'm about to go and study now. Bye.